Welcome to Elevating Your Inclusion Edge. We're going to get started in just a few moments. I'm glad to see you. So let's jump in. Before we close out, I want to talk a little bit about what's possible. If we want to do something that's difficult, if we want our organizations to build culture where inclusion is a part of how we do things every day, that everybody has built inclusion skills, you need to be able to do it together, and you need to do it with the right guides, and you need to build as many of those guides into your organization. And that's the promise of the emergent inclusion framework, is that we build that capacity for as many people as possible. And in building that capacity for as many people as possible, it creates more opportunity for everyone to understand that these skills are simply going to help them do their jobs better. When inclusion wins, everyone wins. Thank you again. Make it a great day.